Instructional designers? This is why your content gets ignored.
You're not losing your audience because your ideas are bad. You're losing them because your visuals don't grab attention.
I'll show you how to create this without cameras, crews, or editing experience.
Good day to you, lass.
Carry on, boys.
Oh yeah, I'm not Scottish. 我可以来自为何一方，我是 AI。
Using AI, storytelling, and simple frameworks, you can create cinematic, engaging content in minutes.
Join my workshop. Learn it once, use it forever.